Hold on, Tommy. Please walk beside the road. Thank you. And here we go. Hi everyone. So this evening we're taking a quick stroll, and there's something I observed and I decided to just share it with you. So this, for the past few days, or let me say weeks, maybe a week or two now, we've been practicing walking beside the road. So I'm going to give you an example and then continue this video. Okay, let's go on.
Walk faster.
I should walk faster. So please remember to walk beside the road, okay? Good.
Walk up faster.
I should walk up faster. Okay. Go on. Daddy, please walk up faster.
Walk faster.
Are you talking to me too? I should walk faster. Okay, hold on. Good, very good. Okay, don't go too far, please. So, what just happened is that we're learning to walk beside the road, and this is helping me not to keep dragging her. Of course, when we are on a busier road or when it's not healthy or not safe, we hold the children's hands. Do you understand? It's safer to always hold an adult, like for children to hold an adult's hand while walking on the road. But at the same time, it's also good to teach them how to do this walking, you know, how to walk consciously beside the road, so that it's not like we're dragging them and pulling them like they don't have minds of their own. Hold on, Tommy, please walk beside the road. Thank you. And here we go. So the essence is that the children, they also have a mind of their own, and whatever it is that we want them to know, whatever value we want them to learn, they can actually learn it if we patiently teach them. So teaching is different from actually shouting and saying, I've always told you, and all of that we are used to doing. Teaching is consistently reminding them of what to do and showing them how to do it, so that with time and with practice they learn it. So when we started, actually she was constantly veering towards the middle of the road every single time, but we just keep reminding her, please walk beside the road, remember to always walk beside the road. And she is beginning to pick on that, and now we're walking beside the road, though not totally perfect. At least for the past 3 minutes that I've been talking, she has not veered towards the middle of the road, and this is that. So there's a car. Okay, so you walk around the car. So there we have it. Thank you for listening. I hope this helps someone. See you in my next video.
Bye. Walk beside me.